Welcome to Wbsender. First, I go to the website wbsender.net. Then I click on Login, and after that, I click on Sign Up. We carefully fill up the sign-up form, submit for OTP, and then activate the account. When we enter the platform, it comes to the free trial start page, showing the monthly package at $39 and the yearly plan at $29 per month. That means the yearly plan saves you $120. Now I click Start Trial, enter my card details, and then click Start Free Trial. After this, we go to the top right corner and click on the Disconnected button. Then click on Refresh, and the QR code will appear. We scan the QR code with WhatsApp from the Mobile Linked Devices section. Once the scan is complete, it takes just 2 to 3 seconds to connect WhatsApp with the Wbsender platform. It will show Connection Established, along with your name, phone number, and also a logout button. Once the connection is complete, the platform will automatically sync all your contacts with a progress bar. And that's how easy it is to get started with Wbsender.